Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LinkedIn for freelance passive income step by step clearly. To effectively use LinkedIn for generating freelance passive income, start by optimizing your profile. Focus on a professional profile picture that reflects your personal brand. Write a compelling headline that clearly states your expertise and services. Craft a detailed summary that highlights your skills, experiences, and the value you offer. Include keywords relevant to your niche to improve visibility. Showcase your work by adding portfolio pieces to your profile. Connect with relevant professionals in your industry to expand your network. Join LinkedIn groups related to your niche to engage with potential clients. Share valuable content regularly to demonstrate your knowledge and establish authority. Use LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles that showcase your expertise. Offer free resources, like ebooks or templates, to attract potential clients. Engage with your connections by commenting on their posts and sharing insights. Consider offering services that can generate passive income, such as online courses or coaching. Create a business page dedicated to your freelance services for additional exposure. Regularly update your profile and business page with relevant content and achievements. Utilize LinkedIn ads to target specific audiences for your services. Monitor analytics to assess what content resonates with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on engagement and feedback from your network. Over time, nurture relationships to encourage referrals and repeat business. Consistency is key. Continue to invest time in building your presence on LinkedIn. With dedication, leverage your LinkedIn presence to develop a steady stream of passive income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.